Hey Libra, getting ready to do your general reading. This reading is going to be from the 2nd of October to the 8th of October. It's a general reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I've excluded 1st of October because I've done the full moon reading, which is falling on the 1st of October. So, yeah, we'll start from 2nd. Okay, we've already started getting your cards, Libra. Okay, your energies are okay. Wow, those are some intense energies there. Libra. Oh, you've even Gemini got this card. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck, Seven of Pentacles. Guys, what's up? Why these energies? What are you guys thinking about? What are you guys crying over? Libra, you guys are waiting for communication from somebody who is not looking at you right now. They're not paying attention to your needs. Whoever this person is, could be your boss, could be your mentor, could be your parent, your partner, but somebody is not looking at you and you want them to, communicate. If and when they do communicate, it's going to be a very dry, very to the point communication, and you won't be satisfied. It's going to make you feel horrible, is what I mean, Don't wait for this communication to come in. Whoever this person is could be an air sign individual just like you, Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini. But they're very sneaky, they hide things from you. If it's your boss, they are, if it's your boss and you're asking for a raise or for your pending salary or something, it's as if they are not, either they're avoiding you or they've kept you hanging for a very long time, guys. And all you do is keep waiting. They keep telling you that, oh, no, at this such and such point in time, I will pay off all your dues, and everything will be done and all. And then they show you this rosy picture and then they just leave you hanging like that. Now, why they're doing that is unclear. If you want a personal reading, you can always book it. But this energy is very sneaky, and this person is very unreliable. If it's not your boss, if it is your a family member, or say a partner, they have secrets, they are hiding something from you. Probably they are silently working on something and they don't want you to know it, or they are indulging in somebody else and they're also showing you a rosy picture of the future. Could be somebody from your workspace that you are talking to and they are not responding to you in the way they should be. But I feel this communication is coming very soon. You will have a clearer picture about what is happening. You'll get a clarity when it comes to this issue that you're facing, either with a loved one, a partner, or a boss, where they are being very secretive about something. I see a lot of waiting from your side. It could be a fire sign individual that you are awaiting communication from. Somebody needs to decide what they want. It's time to clearly decide and make a decision about what one wants. Only then can they communicate appropriately and, begin the cycle of manifestation. Yeah, you are the alchemist of your life, Libra. What are you guys waiting for? You guys are waiting for this communication to come in. Some of you might be waiting for a proposal from somebody and you haven't heard from them. They gave you that hope that they will marry you, but it's not happened yet. Yeah, it could be a proposal, could be a new job offer. Somebody's keeping you hanging. Sorry, not Gemini, Libra. Could be an Aquarius sign you are waiting for communication from, but it is going to come around. So when October begins, it's already started. Around the 10th or the 20th, you will get this communication. It may not be something that you uh, expected, could be better, could be a little bad. I mean, something that you did not expect, and it may not turn out to be something as great as what you expected, basically. Don't worry about it. Don't put too much emotion. Don't attach emotion to that situation. Just surrender it to the universe because there's something beautiful waiting for you. And these are just hurdles that you need to cross. If it is a wait, it will pass. If it is a bad news, good news is on its way. I can see it here. So have faith and believe in your dreams, okay? Whatever you have wished for, whatever you've tried to manifest is coming your way because I've seen the alchemy card over here. I've also seen the world card, the wheel of fortune, and the star. It's beautiful. I want you to have faith in yourself and in your capabilities because you are attracting the very best and nothing less than that. Yeah, Libra, I think we're done with your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.